Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful pattern. It's easy to make. What you have to do is up to you which edge do you want to use, any kind of rib. But what we are going to start, because I already make ribs, and for this pattern we have to have a multiple of just a multiple of 4 plus 1. And for the setup row, what we have to do, we are going to pull all stitches. This is the wrong side of the work, and as I told you, you have to pull all stitches. This is the row 1 for setup. Row 2, what we have to do, we are going to take the first one, then in the next 3 I'm going to insert my hook, insert my needle, take the 3 and knit them together. But before we take it out, I'm going to make yarn over, insert my needle again and knit all together. Then I'll take it out. So now I have again 3 loops here. Next stitch, just knit, and we repeat for the next 3. I take all 3, knit, yarn over and knit one more time. Then knit 1. We repeat that one until the end of the row. As you can see here, at the end you have only 4 left, so make these 3, and then the last one you have to just knit. This is row 1. Now is the time to change the color. If you want to make it in different color, if you want to continue the same, it's up to you. So what we have to do here, I'm going to just knit the last one with different color. Like that, and take it like this. For next row, what we have to do, we have to just again like row 1, we are going to pull all stitches. This pattern is only 4 row repeat, because you are going to just change the position of the pattern and then repeat 4 rows, and easy to follow. What we have to do in this row, we are going to take the first one and always, if you look at this one as a one pattern and this one has one pattern, always you have to take the last one from this and the first one from that pattern and make it like a new flower. So what we have to do in this row, we are going to knit 2, this is edge, we knit 2. When it comes in these 3, 1 from here, 1 from here, and 1 in the middle, again I insert my hook in these 3, or as I say hook, this is needle. I'll take these 3, yarn over, and then knit again, so it means I have again 3 loops, and then knit 1. As you can see here, I have 1 from this, 1 from this one in the middle. I'm going to make another model like this and then knit 1. Let's do it one more time. As you can see here, at the end of the row, you are going to have 2, just you have to knit them like the beginning of the row. You have 3 here, you have 3. Then again it's time to change the color, so I'm going to take the white one and then just start by pull all the stitches again, and this is row 4. And as I told you, just you have to repeat row 1 to row 4 to have a beautiful pattern. So it means that when it comes to that part, again like row 1, I'm going to take the 1 and start to make the pattern again by knit all, yarn over, knit together and knit 1. So as you can see here, this one is exactly should be like that one, and here the one from this, one from the other one, and one in the middle should be another pattern. If you repeat that pattern after few rows, you are going, just I'm going to show you how it looks like again when it comes to that one. As you can see in this row, you should have only one left, like the one in the beginning. If you repeat the pattern like that after few rows, you are going to have it like this. This is front side and back side of the work. And as I told you, also is your choice to choose which edge do you want. Do you want rib or another? Start the edge here. And also it's up to you if you want to make this pattern in one color or in different colors. That's all. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you like it, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.